good, guys? It's your boyfriends out here. We're back with another video. Today's gonna be the first time I'm gonna be showing my face to y'all, so you guys can roast me in the comments, you know, tell me. I'm just messing with y'all. But anyways, bro, I'm about to start this car, this 335i that I have, and oh my god, right now my setup right now for my exhaust setup is I'm just running catless downpipe and it's just straight pipe all the way. And bro, it's 7 in the morning, my boy. It's 7 in the morning. Peep the whip. Oh, I know the back doesn't look that good right now because I don't have the bumper, the rear bumper that I want. But shh, it's coming. It's coming. Look what I got, bro. I got these Avids. I think they're called like AV. Let's see what that says. AV06. Honestly, bro, this shit looks pretty fire in the car. Like, fuck your opinion. This shit looks pretty hard. Hella people were roasting me about this gap that I have at the front right here. But bro, like, oh my god. I can't even hear myself out there, bro, but I hate to do that every morning, bro. Every morning I have to do that. It just screams like, ugh. Damn. Keep that check engine light though. But anyways, guys, we're gonna be going to the canyons. We're gonna be trying out these new tire setup that I have. I went with a squared setup. I know some people don't like squared setup on the rear wheel drive, but damn, there you go, guys. Just got her washed. Sheesh, looking all pretty, bro. Like, you guys can see how clean this is compared to the bottom. It didn't really do the bottom wrong, but that's what you kind of get with these. I'm just kidding. That shit does not work, bro. I try to use tap. It does not take tap, bro. It only takes the card, and I don't even have my card, so I'm like, fuck, like this shit's dirty as fuck. So we went ahead and used this spray shine. It's good if you use it with microfiber towel, but if you don't have microfiber towel and you have some raggedy ass towel, don't use it, bro. It will scratch your paint, but don't do it. A quick detailer, that did some work. I'm not gonna cap. Damn. Deadass chose the wrong time coming up here. There's this truck right here, and there's like a billion bikers like up ahead. So I'm just like, bro, what the fuck? God, this would have been so fun if this truck wasn't here, bruh. I'm not trying to be a dick and just cut him off too. car sounds crazy right now. What the hell? Bro, there's a chopper right here. What the fuck? Why is there a chopper here, bro? Hey, yo! Oh my god, I feel so bad for that guy, bro. Damn, car is getting pretty hot, bro. Oh my god, bro, finally. 10 days later, found a spot. I don't know why those bikers are going so slow. They're literally going like 10 miles per hour, bro. Jeez. I used to ride bikes, bro, but come on, 10 miles per hour on a canyons? But there's this feature on JB4 where you can like turn off this anti-rattle thing, and it just makes the car so fucking loud for no reason, bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, that's so loud. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but that shit is way too loud. Damn, my boy out here dipping. Alright guys, there you guys have it. It's your boy Friends out here. Oh, that is way too loud, bro. That is... What's up with this chopper, bro? I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a freaking chopper over there. I can't even zoom in. Bro. Damn. She's looking pretty. Oh my god. Last time I was here, I didn't have the wheels on, and now I'm here with the wheels. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe down below. We're trying to reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If I had 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, bro, we're definitely going single turbo in this car. What's up, guys? This is my boy Kyle right here.
What's up?
Kyle with the STI, bro.
Nobody.
Damn. Got my boy Zink right there with an AMG. Hey, is that an AMG?
We're gonna go eat. Yeah. Straight up from Huntington Beach. He got a Mercedes, but look at the license plate. Toyota. I swear to God, there's some like gas like left around here and shit. Like I paid like $50 for that shit. Like
damn, that quick?
That's how you know you live in California, bro.
Yo, $50 for basically 9 gallons,
yeah.
bro.
And
hell no.
In order for you to finish everything, bro, you gotta like, you know, like you gotta do it like that. It's like,
what the fuck?
bro, I like the fit you got on right here. Here, back up.
Got the fit on, you feel me? Got my boy fit right here. Damn.
New shirt.
What's up?
New shirt.
What's
I
up?
like it. I like it.
Damn, look at the whips right now, bro.
Dude, let me see your foot.
Damn.
Until you get some pullovers on that shit, you gotta need some car light.
No, why are you roasting me with the fitment, bro?
Bro, you can't even come over here.
I'm telling you.
Like, oh, that shit's like good fitment. But like, this shit's like, oh, it's like iPhone right here, bro.
Bro, always roasting me with the fitment, bro. Like I said, coilover's coming soon, for sure. For sure, bro. Damn, who the fuck filled $73 of gas right here, bro?
$73, bro.
Damn. Gimbal? Yup.
What's up? I'll be the new camera boy. You ready? You gonna put gas in it too? Yes, sir. This is my boy Zink. Zink with a Z-I-N-C, like the vitamin, bro.
Yes.
Because
for you and for your health.
hey, that's right.
Check out the whip. Check out the whip. It's stock right now. But it's
Somewhere. See that?
What's up, my girl? How you doing?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. There's another fine ass bitch right
you
here.
gotta go mix it.
Oh yeah.
Gotta mix the
Yeah.
85
And the last bitch is right here. Yes, sir.
All right, guys, we made it. We made it to the Crawfish spot. So we got the lineup right here with the AMG wheels, my wheels, and then the VS wheels. All right, guys. That being said, that's it for the video. Hope you guys like this video. Got my boy Kyle over
click
here.
that subscribe down below.
Yes, sir.
Down
If you
below.
guys haven't already, follow this channel. On 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be going single turbo. So if you guys want to see that happen,
Turbo. Fuck.
At 1,000 subscribers?
Hold on. 1,000?
5,000
Fuck,
subscribers.
I'm broke as fuck for that shit.
Well, he's doing it. 5,000 subscribers.
so if you guys want to see that, don't forget to hit the subscribe. And I'm gonna hit this Kyle right here. Follow him. It's right here. His IG.
Yes, sir. And read that backwards. And
Yes,
that's
sir.
my name.
And I got my boy Zinc right here. If you guys want, bro, why you got an under? What the demonic ass nigga?
Bro, you can't put that in. You gotta cut that. You have to cut that in.
Bruh. With that being said, thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe. I'm gonna have these two right here linked their IG. Go ahead and follow them. With that being said, goal for this year, definitely 1,000 subscribers, bro. If we hit that goal, we're definitely doing a single turbo swap on this car. And if you guys want to see that, hit that link, bro. Oh. Let me hear you see him. Let me see it. Oh.